This is homework video 2.2.1, where we're going to analyze figure and do some t-table numbers. So, given the first three figures of the giraffes tile figures, we're going to A, numerically determine the total number of tiles in each figure and describe the pattern in words. B, sketch and analyze figure 4, and then C, complete a t-table for this tile sequence from n equals 1 to 6. So you can see the three figures there, and you can see why they're called giraffes. We'll start by looping the tile figures. This is one possible looping option. It looks like the 2 is left off the head on figure 3, but you can see that there's still 2 tiles there. So when I look at this, each of the heads are 2 tiles. Then the neck has 1, then 2, then 3 tiles looped. Then the body is always 2 tiles. And then each leg we have 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. So these can be consolidated for figure 1. There are 3 1s and 2 2s. For figure 2, there are 3 2s and 2 2s. And for figure 3, there are 3 3s and 2 2s. That's a useful pattern because you can see what is the same, the 2 2s, and what is growing. There's 3 1s, then 3 2s, then 3 3s, and those are the figure numbers 1, 2, and 3. So now we'll describe our pattern in words. So the pattern we see is the figure number for each leg and the neck, plus 2 for the body, plus 2 for the head. So now we can create figure 4 and check our looping. We should have 4 plus 4, leg, leg, plus 4, neck, plus 2, body, plus 2, head tiles. And if we look at our picture, that's what we have. 4 for each leg and the neck, plus 2 for the body, and 2 for the head. Okay, so we feel confident that that's figure 4. Now we complete our t-table for n equals 1 to 6. And we already have the first few numbers. You can see we included those on our account, 7, 10, 13, and then when we look at figure 4, we have 12 plus 4, or 16. So 7, 10, 13, 16. For 5, we should have 3 times 5 plus 2 times 2, 19 tiles. And for 6, we should have 3 times 6 plus 2 times 2, or 22 tiles. We should also note that this is an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 3. The output numbers go up by 3, from 7 to 10, from 10 to 13, from 13 to 16, from 16 to 19, and from 19 to 22. All of these little pieces help us see the bigger picture. Let's check our work. Our work shows the figures analyzed and looped, which matches our work in the other parts. So we're feeling confident about that. It's otherwise hard to sort of check that. Using our words, the figure number for each leg and the neck, plus 2 for the body and 2 for the head, we see in each figure we have that, and so we check and we have that in each case. Using our words, the figure number for each leg and the neck, plus 2 for the body and 2 for the head, we can write that in words, and we have 3 times the figure number plus 4, which we can check in our table. So our answer is our work shows the first 3 figures looped, our work shows figure 4 and figure 4 looped, and then we have our table. That's it for this homework video. This sequence will be further analyzed in additional videos.